Pick one. 2018 Air Jordan 11 Retro Concord or 2019 Air Jordan 11 Retro BRED. Pick one. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. Man, it's a hard decision. I love both of them. For a long time, it was the BRED, but as I got older, it was the CONCORD. So I'm like, back and forth with the two. But I was on StockX looking at resale value, and for my size 12, StockX, the Concords, they going for $540. GOAT, $600. The BREDs, StockX, going for $500. GOAT, $513. Size 12, my size. So the Concords have a higher resale value. But if I had to pick one, I'm going with the Concord. 45 on the back. I'm going with the Concord. Trey, what say you? Alright. Your boy gonna go with the Concords. Gotta go with the Concords. The Concord, you can just about wear anything with the Concords and get away with it. The only problem I have with the Concord is compared to the BREDs. The white, it gets dirty. You can see it, the white gets dirty faster. And just look at these. I barely wear them, but just look at the white. And even look at the bottom yellow. But man, I could throw these on, man, with just about anything, man, and just go. These right here, I know a lot of people gonna pick these, man, because black and red BREDs, man. And I think these last longer. You don't gotta worry about, the shoe getting dirty faster or even looking dirty like these because of the white upper. Or even the bottom. You don't gotta worry about the bottom yellowing. Look at the bottom on these. And I had both of them on probably about 3 times each. I barely wear my shoes. I work all the time, but your boy gonna go with the Concords, man. I'm going Concords. Alright, what say y'all? Concord or the BREDs? Y'all let your boy know down in the comment section below. Concord or the BREDs? Alright, we out. Peace. Peace, baby.